what would be your recommendation in case a parent had to pick this kit?
I would definitely say they must give it a try, because I, as a parent, if I could change my perception of what is robotics, if they still have the preconceived notion that it is the typical coding and everybody today in the market is doing it just to make money out of it, I would tell them take up. After that, it's their choice. Whether they want to upgrade themselves to the next level or not. But at least let them have that experience of understanding what goes into that starter kit, so that they would see that actual joy in the faces of their children. They would actually see the sense of accomplishment on their child's face. They would see a lot of curiosity, which otherwise we usually see it missing because they're only glued to the gadgets and only glazing at it. They are not using, their gray matter at all. So when we look at that, this is something where there's a lot of activity happening, there's a lot of curiosity, there's a joy, there's an excitement. So multiple factors we as parents would like to see in children is all happening at one shot because of that starter kit. So I would definitely say they must give it a try and have a look at it and experience this joy of sitting with the children and doing it. Child in us alive as adults, that is very, very important. So that has helped me, and that helps me to make my child also busy with something more productive. So it is definitely recommended.